Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. I'm doing a series of videos about how to sell more on eBay. This week's video is about the power of bullet points and how the world's best marketers use them to sell more, and how we can do exactly the same thing to sell more on eBay. If anybody new to this channel, my name's Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling online full-time for over 25 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home and creator of Dropship Formula. First of all, what is a bullet point? Bullet points list the features and benefits of a product. However, it's really important to convert features to benefits, as I'll show you. The more bullet points with features and benefits that you add to your listing for any item on eBay, the more valuable that the item appears to be to a buyer. The bullet point strategy is not new. The top advertising companies in the world figured this out a long time ago. For example, the largest car manufacturer in the world is Toyota, that sells over 10 million cars each year. Toyota employs some of the leading, most exclusive advertising agencies in the world to market their cars. Here's an example of bullet points using a brochure for a new Toyota Corolla, which for many years, the Toyota Corolla has been the best-selling car of the year worldwide. All of these ticks in this brochure are bullet points. Toyota and many other advertising companies have replaced the round bullet point with a tick. In the case of Toyota, a red tick. In the industry, these ticks are still called bullet points. If you take the time to read the bullet points in a brochure like this, you will feel the value of the car increase in your mind as you discover all the features and benefits that the car has. This is the power of bullet points. Bullet points increase the perceived value of any item by simply pointing out all the features and benefits of the item. Toyota is not the only motor vehicle manufacturer to use bullet points in their brochures. Every motor vehicle brochure I've ever seen uses bullet points, and it's for a very good reason. They work. They sell cars. And the good news is, for selling on eBay and Amazon and your own website, if you have your own website, you only need around 20 bullet points per listing. And we've split tested this over and over, and bullet points for eBay listings are usually very easy to collect, as I'll show you. So always aim for around 20 bullet points on eBay and Amazon listings. The more life-changing features and benefits that your listing highlights in the bullet points, the more valuable that the item will appear to potential buyers. Bullet points highlight the top features and benefits of any eBay listing. However, bullet points must be measurable and specific. Humans buy benefits, not features. Probably one of the most famous quotes in marketing comes from Harvard Business School professor Theodore Levitt. Levitt quotes, "People don't want to buy a quarter-inch drill, they want a quarter-inch hole." Anything that is measurable and specific, like a number or a specification in an eBay listing, gives a listing credibility. Measurable and specific features and benefits give a listing credibility. Avoid non-measurable, wishy-washy features and things like benefits like 100% satisfaction guaranteed. What does that even mean? Durable, great quality, etc. Always convert features to benefits. Humans buy benefits, not features. A question I get asked a lot is, what is the difference between a feature and a benefit? A quick answer is, a feature is an aspect of your product. That aspect could be a technical or a specification, or it could describe the item. Benefits are why that feature matters to your customer. In other words, how that feature makes their life better, how it improves their life. Here's an example and the 4 steps to quickly turn features into benefits. Number 1, clearly define the feature itself. For example, if you're selling, say, a stainless steel barbecue, stainless steel would be a feature that can be quickly turned into a benefit. 2, describe why or how the feature, i.e. stainless steel, is a benefit to the buyer. Simple, it won't rust. 3, how is it different to other barbecues on the market? Competitors' barbecue is cheap, regular carbon steel and not stainless steel, so the competitor's barbecue will rust. 4, why is stainless steel better? Because it lasts a lifetime. To collect bullet points, look at your supplier's description and your competitor's listing. From those 2 sources, you can normally quickly collect 20 bullet points and use those for inspiration. If you can't get 20 bullet points from your supplier and or your competitor's listing, then look at other competitors' listings. Often an eBay listing for another similar item, but even not identical item, will give you more bullet point ideas. For example, with the barbecue, to find the inspiration for stainless steel bullet point, stainless steel could be used for any stainless steel barbecue, not just an identical model. If you also want to know how to increase eBay sales by a factor of 16, make sure you watch this video up here, and I'll put a link at the end of this video and below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.